Welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles, so if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do what we call the fishtail chain-linked ponytail. So let's get started.
I went ahead and put her hair up into a ponytail. I used some gel and wet her hair down just a little bit, and I also wrapped her hair using a top-to-tail. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to take a small section from the right side, and you're going to do the same thing on the left side. Make sure that each side is equal. All you're going to do with the sides is create a fishtail braid. Now, if you don't know how to do a fishtail braid, just click right here. For time purposes only, I'm going to speed this up because Gracie's hair is very long. It takes at least 10 minutes to complete the whole entire strand all the way down to the end, and it takes about 10 minutes for just one side. So that's the reason why I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to start the beginning part slow and then I'll speed it up. Split it in half, and you just take a small section from the left side and bring it over, and then the other side, small section, and bring it over. And that's all there is to it. You just keep on repeating. The left over the right, small piece from the right over the left. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little faster. Okay, so this is as far as I'm going to go. I wanted to get it as close to the end as possible so that way I could use up all her hair. Okay, whew, that was a long time. I'm going to do the same thing I did here, over there. Okay, so now both sides are completed. I braided this as far as I can so that I can create as many links on this tail as possible. I'm going to take these and put it on the side for now. I'm going to comb this out just to smooth it out. Next step is to put an elastic band right here. So you want to take about 4 fingers length to measure it. So you want to put the elastic band right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the elastic band. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be 4, so you can slide down the elastic band a little bit just to get the 4 fingers in. Next step is to take the topsy tail and put it right through the middle of the elastic band. So when the elastic band is like this, you want to take that topsy tail and put it right through. So right in the middle. Then you're going to take a small piece right here, smooth it out. And if you have to wet it, go ahead and wet it, because it does work best when it's wet. Now you're going to take the left braid, bring it over like this, and take the right braid and bring it over just like this. Now you want to take this small section of the strand and put it right through the topsy tail. Just take it right through this topsy tail hole, okay? Now find that topsy tail end right here and go ahead and pull right through. Now before you pull it all the way through, make sure that you hold on to it and then you just pull. See how that will tighten it? And then you can go ahead and let go. And this is all done. See how that looks? You're going to do this again, and you're going to go all the way down to the end. However long your girl's hair is, you could do it all the way down, or you could just do a couple of them. It's all up to you. I'm going to try to get as many links as I can on this tail. So I'm going to go ahead and do it again. I'll show you one more time before I speed it up. Okay, I'm going to bring it down and slide this down to 4 fingers width. Okay, and then take the topsy tail, put it in the middle and into the middle of that elastic band. Then you're going to take a section right here, smooth it out. Again, if you have to wet it, go ahead and wet it. Okay, so you take the left braid and bring it over to the right side. Take the right braid and bring it over to the left side. Now you're going to take this strand right here and put it right through the topsy tail hole right here. Lift up the topsy tail end and find it, grab it, and pull through. Don't let it all go until you find it. And grab it and then tighten it out. Okay, and then you're all done. You're going to repeat these steps all the way down to the end. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for time purposes only.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
Okay, so I can't do any more, so I'm gonna go back up here and then fix these circles just to make it so that there's no spaces. I'm just gonna fill them up and just fix them to the way I like them.
So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life.
They look like links. I'm gonna take this and just secure it all together with another elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and release these. And I'm gonna go and just tweak it to the way I like it. A little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby, we should start living now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please leave a comment down below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos or parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the description.
This helps us continue to make videos for you. To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless.